looking unto Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith.
Destiny reader. For the sake of people who don't understand Italian, this is a oracle that you place your hand and it's going to tell you things about your life. I'm going to read it in Italian. La bocca della verità, vuoi conoscere il tuo destino? Metti la mano della mia bocca and attendere il tuo oracolo. You put your hands and then the receipt of your result will just come out. And I don't know how true is this. As for me, I spoke my mind already in the beginning of this video. Let me know what you think about this. Hi, welcome back to my page. My name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you for tuning in and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye.
Zion, Sweethome. We cook enjoyable, delicious meals with an experience that sets the standard. Yummy cooking and lifestyle. Ladyzion, Sweethome. Build a healthy community, one individual at a time.
We are the best, reliable, unbeatable.